Hey y'all, we back. I already told y'all that was coming back. Here we go with the bowl right here. See that? You need to come in the video mode.
Hey y'all, I'm here. Look, here I go.
I already knew she wasn't gonna do it. Cuzzo here too, but she don't want to be on camera, but it's okay.
Hey y'all.
But what we got, man?
Seafood boil.
So we got some crab legs.
We got some crawfish on deck. Lobster.
Jumbo shrimp too.
Lobster tail. Sausage shrimp. Corn on the cob. Hey.
Oh, I had to taste one real quick.
Let me get this over. I gotta remember these.
She all in the background talking, but it's okay. So we got the butter sauce here. Let me lift it up for you a little bit. Right there. This the cocktail sauce for the shrimp. And the woman, she got her own little butter sauce too. So what y'all doing? And she want to tilt it, but she don't want to be in the camera though. Okay, that's cute.
Good, what's going
on? Come on, Mom.
You gotta have everybody doing.
I gotta have a name. Miss Lioness. They already know what time it is. What a pride at? This drink is hot. It's spicy. I don't know what. So what was the what was that sauce? Added the whole pack to the joint. That was too much. Add half of the pack.
Look at all this food though.
Yeah, it is a lot of food though, but it's like real spicy.
This wimp can't stand the heat. Ingredients they added all that on. That's you. This good. I don't think it ain't hard to make.
Let me dig into this.
I can't reach it.
Why she can't be on the camera though? What's up with that?
I've been eating too hard. And you worse. And I've been hungry enough to fall. I was wondering where that came from.
A whole bunch of talking in the background, but they don't want to be on camera. So what's going on this Saturday evening? What y'all doing? What y'all getting into? You know what we getting into. You know what I'm talking about?
Get into the crab. Crab leg. What y'all drinking now?
Yeah, so look. I told y'all in the last video I had to get some vodka.
Cut this straw first before you show that, honey.
I ain't even worried about that. I'm gonna cut it. Here it is right here. Some pineapple vodka. Pineapples in here. Some wine. It's good too. That joint is real spicy.
I like because we ain't gotta add no hot sauce.
You hear my son in the background loud. At least he ain't in the video this time. No. Baby, we should hit this out with friends. So you could run around without the pants. I put that picture on your little hand. I mean, real good, y'all. You look spicier than I would like it, but hey, it's all good. No, I ain't looking up.
It's too much good food to talk. We ain't got time to talk, y'all.
You need to see it again. You know all this right here.
What a lobster at?
Yes, what is the lobster tail at? Got the lobster?
Lobster on there?
Yes.
How many calories is this?
You got the crawfish on that, y'all. Good.
Slow.
Look at that. Dip in that butter.
No way, she got that juice. She got that sweet. She got that juice. I'm on them skis. I got that drip. I'm overseas. D-R-I-P-P-I-N-G.
Friend talking bad about his hair that I had the last time.
I put it on the video. She didn't look at
I got stones on my neck.
So I done switch it up for
I
y'all.
my hand walk off there. I just put my hand off there. So sorry.
Supposed to be in the video, mom. Hey.
She working double shifts. No, I put ain't the same. You in the lane, get it cut.
I've been working too hard trying to get my house back in order.
Let's get in there.
It's good. It's good. It's good. Tender. Lobster.
Lobster. You might try that. I got the sausage.
Huh? It ain't spicy either.
Well, how this Mr. Potatoes?
No, because they only been in there 10 minutes. The other stuff been there. Like 20. You don't hear about it was a shooting today down there in the Walmart in Texas. I heard that's why I came up here today. People getting their school supplies. With some 21-year-old boy in there shooting. Hell, I forgot how many people. I ain't heard that part. Can he shot? Look at that shit. Look at that, y'all. Come on, take a bite. Take a bite. There you go. That's a good. Oh, y'all want some butter? Hold on. Get some butter on this. Ah, there you go. Thank me later.
That's
not good. Should have bought a big one.
Should have bought a big one.
15 pounds, Jack. Let me talk like you, Jake. That's the best thing going, the lobster.
That's it?
Until they had that in a while.
I have to go get me some of them.
What?
What? Where you getting from?
The lobster tail.
Walmart.
One bag is $7 a piece, really. I want this on the crab.
One come in the back.
Two.
You got the service over there.
I bought these.
I'm trying to get my sister. Hold up.
Yeah, the crab is just too damn hot.
That lobster's good. I'm gonna put a red lobster.
Butter sauce.
I'm gonna Walmart and get some.
It's cheaper.
I ain't getting that damn crawfish, boy.
Put your own seasoning in there. Just some old bag. You be alright. No, not using the whole thing. That's what it was.
Yeah. I wish you had told me because I got half home because I only use half. Because when I saw that much in there, I was like, because I didn't do this much either.
Yeah.
I ain't expected to be that strong, but I guess so.
Hello.
There you go.
They got this good too, because I need
Put it down. What's the plan, Johnny?
A little bit of meat in there. Oh.
My hand not please. We too busy eating, y'all. We ain't got nothing to talk about right now. For real. I ain't know that.
Tell them what you season it with.
I can't remember the name of the seasoning. It looks like the crawfish. Oh, the Louisiana crawfish and seafood boil seasoning. Then we add a little garnish of the parsley. Butter too. It's fire. It's just really good.
The love keeps us together.
We got plenty left then.
In the potato. She on fire over there.
Yes. I can't even eat them all. I need milk. I don't like it.
Okay, is that hot for you? You need some milk.
You added it in there. You added it.
What's that?
She added the seasoning.
But what I say, I'm gonna pour this whole back. What you say? Okay, yeah.
Look, I ain't know. Look, trial and error. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
neither one of us know.
So look, half a bag.
Tip, don't use the whole.
Not the whole bag.
Unless you got double this.
I mean, if you like it hot like that, that's all right.
That's why Martin came back. He's still on fire too.
And you don't need no hot sauce at all. That's
These
like,
bowls of potatoes over there.
I ain't hot and on the what. Got a little music in the background. Definitely don't own the rights. Yeah, I sure don't.
For real though.
Yeah, we enjoying this one. Real.
Bookbone.
You can at least show your face. For real. No, not tonight.
They do it like this and then they do it. Make that it's a recipe.
I think I like some. It's like pasta Alfredo with shrimp, crawfish.
How was that restaurant that you went to today?
It was good. I had curry shrimp.
Where was it?
Off of Battlefield. Battle Hospital.
We need to, so we practice.
She want me to open it for her.
Thanks, Mom. I'm fine. I had to tilt this camera over so y'all can see her.
They know what I look like.
Not everybody.
I saw that. I think I said that. That bitch stick to you. See her?
I mean, she said she was gonna do it with me. I mean, she's here, but she was gonna be on camera and
What with
everything. Why you not on camera though, Mom?
Just a quick appearance.
I don't want to see that. See your face.
I'm tired from today. You know I got up early from a hangover. Then I had to work, so I'm
Why
like,
not hang on? Where you was at?
you got strawberry lemonade.
Oh yeah, last night.
You had to give me some of them big Tigers from y'all. Them James humongous.
You gonna have to stay on the corner and get some extra money.
Well, how much of the Tiger shrimp anyway? For like 8, it was like, she said like $45 or something like that.
Dang, for 8.
Yeah.
Oh, that lady?
Mm-hmm.
So you get like 4 for $20.
But how
But
big?
it's real big.
Real big.
Oh, God.
Big like this lobster. It's like this. The shrimp like this size, like that.
I need that.
You eat 4 shrimp, you be tired.
Good.
You like, that's all you need is some vegetables, something to good.
No
Where the heck
talking,
they
y'all.
swim at?
Hmm?
Where the heck Tiger's shrimp swim at? Where they get?
Out in the deep sea. You didn't want them boats to go over there and catch them. The same way you catch the lobster. My leg numb.
We just talking all of this again. You letting them now?
These go shell.
I'm gonna put this foot up here.
Thinking about the licks I hit, I had to. Thinking about the viewers, I had you.
That might be just the top one. It ain't even hot no more. Taste again. It's calming down. It ain't like that no more. All of them not like that. Try again.
Lord forgive me for my sins, I know this cash rules. Every
See,
day
close to that, you
fast food.
sound like it hard, isn't it?
Cold like a snowflake. These hoes always getting exposed.
I done got all hot.
Went from standing on the stores to the store,
They suck the lobster.
stayed
I
down
didn't know you like spice.
for the G5. So
I
much
do, but I don't want this lobster.
Not that spicy.
started rocking ball moms like they Levi's.
And as much as I love shrimp and crab legs, the fact that I'm not, yeah, it's hot.
It's hot. Mm-hmm.
Because I love potatoes too.
Yeah, potatoes is hot, right?
Because they was in there the whole time.
They like mashed potato.
No, they not. They make potatoes.
I can hear the streets. I can hear the streets. Aquavit in the water got me glistening. When I whip that beat, man, can't you
We're gonna just finish enjoying this, y'all.
Pussy niggas ain't no sympathy. 57 lies, they so feminine. I be selling five,
Really good.
M&M's. Fuck a 9 to 5, get it at the gym.
You gotta do
Push
like that.
illegal when we call it at the gym.
I gotta do all that. They can't see that, man.
You gotta make them.
Sister should see what they want.
Right. I should. You know this one. I'm getting in position.
You gonna put this back like that.
It's silk.
Oh, here you go. There you go, right there. Let's see what's
Look,
on.
I'm blocking her. She thinks she's slick.
They.
Look.
See?
Everything I did was for my hood this whole time. I'm talking this whole time. For my hood this whole time. Gotta take advantage, gotta learn how to take advantage, dog. Stole a golf cart, I go and buy a ballpark. Drove a stolen car, now my car push start. Front of the park, man, the crib,
Hey, big man.
I can hear the purpose.
You know I need one.
I can hear the purpose.
Butter
Right, I
everywhere.
ain't even, still not yet.
That's why I want to get on camera. Because I'm a mess
Yes, I
with
did.
you.
You see a little bit of butter on my shirt, but it's all good.
I can hear the work.
That means it's very good.
She got her.
Oh, somewhere asleep. Seen it over there.
Look at that, y'all. What you eating, Mama? Show them. What you eating?
I'm being on the crab. Coffee.
And I had some more crabs left from last night, so I should have put it up there.
You sure sugar? Sugar be in there.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Wait on.
Do all that. I haven't ate a crab. A whole crab like that.
A blue crab.
In a long time. Like, I don't know when the last time I had fried crab.
Yeah, we got a nice restaurant. It's wings and what is it? Cajun.
Cajun seafood, right? Should try it, honey.
I ain't giving them no advertising. They ain't gonna pay me. What's the name of it? I forgot the name of it anyway.
Yes.
Dude, they was down the street playing beer pong in the street. In their driveway.
Never heard it. I ain't gonna-
It's at the meat. You can't watch it all. You got cold water in there. Bottle of water. When she get up to rinse that shit, man. What? You gonna rinse it? It's like, bring me a bottle of water.
Yeah, we gonna just continue eating this.
Bring me a bottle of water.
For sure.
Those out there to help
We're
us
all
decide.
sorry, y'all using butter.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Dip it in there. Let's see if they'll help it. This one, I told you someone now. I think Mom took the dog outside. Look at that came out of the claw on this.
Shama.
No. You want to say this is good meat?
Well, look, y'all. I'm just gonna continue eating this right here. And I'll be easy. I'll be back with something real soon. Something different other than seafood, probably.
Yeah, we can do chicken wings.
Chicken fried, baked, what? Just mine.
We're gonna do a spicy noodle sandwich.
Spicy noodle sandwich.
Oh, what?
Spicy noodle sandwich.
They've been doing that hard rock, that rock king that she got. You know that rock king. They be eating that and I guess putting on that sound. Everybody on YouTube doing that now. The rock king for some reason.
For the sound of it?
You never even tried that. I still got that can.
Alright, now we got. We're gonna finish this.